So hey, our mission is to advance the PC experience across the entire industry. And that's why we started on a multi-year journey that we call Project Athena to drive that innovation. In less than a year, we have already verified 25 new Project Athena unique base devices that I have here on stage with me today. Now, for consumers, that means 9+ hours of battery life, but like in real working conditions, actually using the device. Or of course, more than 16 hours of continuous local video playback. It means better responsiveness and performance, right? Helping launch applications faster, less time spent when you're going in between tasks, keeping you in the flow and keeping you focused. It also means fast charging capabilities, getting 4 more hours of battery life in just 30 minutes of charging. And then absolutely no lag time. All of those devices on stage, when you open the lid, will resume from standby in less than 1 second.
So here's the Acer Swift 3. It's thin, it's light, with a screen-to-body ratio of nearly 85%. It's incredibly immersive. This is the HP Dragonfly Elite. It's also very thin, 360-degree hinge, built-in privacy screen, and also the first laptop that uses plastic recycled from the ocean as part of the construction process.
We've been working with Google now for years, from the very beginning. What I'm excited here today is to say we have extended our partnership with Google to include Project Athena for the first time, which means you're going to get all the leading security, manageability, ease of use, and nearly 3 million applications in the Google Play Store, all together on exciting new Project Athena devices. So where do we go from here? Now, you can expect a lot of new innovation from us going forward, but there's 2 areas in particular I just want to highlight today. One is connectivity and the second is form factor. In November, we announced a new partnership with MediaTek to deliver 5G modems in a module with us, optimized for our PC platforms. Second, in form factor innovation, today I'm pleased to announce that we have actually released a new Project Athena-based specification for dual screen devices to all of our OEMs.
And I'm very excited that today is the day where Lenovo and Intel are jointly announcing the world's first foldable PC. So this is a full performance PC device based on Intel's Core hybrid technology.
That's right.
It's 5G capable. It's a 13.3 OLED device, less than 1 kilo. You can use it really as basically a tablet. You can also use it as a video conferencing device, where you also have supporting information on the second screen. So you have a dual screen device in one screen. You can use it with a pen to draw while you still receive information.
And I've got another example that I wanted to share to you today that we've been working with our partners at Dell.
This looks like a standard laptop at first blink, but keyboard comes off, goes underneath, and you can see we have now 2 large screens to work with.
Very good.
Now, we have 2 applications here. We've got a browser and we got notes. If you want to move those applications around, it's just really a simple move to move them back and forth. I can then launch an application on the second one. And again, if I want to take and spread an application across 2 screens, I can have all that. And even though I start at the top, I can pin it to the bottom. And so you can see, when you're done, one thin device.
And I've got the privilege of showing you something no one's ever seen before from us, which is our new concept platform, the code name of which is Horseshoe Bend.
Hey, I'm super excited to be able to share and show the world's first 17-inch foldable OLED PC as we create what's next in the laptop in 2-in-1. So we imagine more immersive browsing experiences. So as I'm planning my vacation, yeah, I get to go on vacation, I can pick an activity, right? Really get into it. Now, while I'm watching the video, I can continue to learn more about the destination or the activity, seamlessly. Now, as good as this looks, it looks even better when you go full screen. And I have a full 17-inch desktop that you can use with keyboard, mouse, like you talked with Christian about.
Okay, I'm going to shift gears now because at the heart of all these wonderful platforms is a world-leading CPU. And last year I got on stage and we previewed our 10th generation Core products mobile processor called Ice Lake. And as you remember, we built industry-leading AI performance into that processor.
So I'm going to showcase today some very super cool AI powered by Adobe Sensei, driven by the power of the 10th generation Intel on this amazing thin and light device, which really solves a lot of the issues that Photoshop users and designers face every day. And the first is quite simply making selections. Now, depending upon all the various tools that you have, it can take some time, even with a stylus, because we have fur or hair. Anything that isn't just a sharp, hard edge is time-consuming, right? Yeah. But again, with Intel, with Adobe, powered by Sensei, we can now simply come up to our Select menu here. I'm going to choose Select Subject, and in seconds, something that could have taken minutes, is now done. And we have a perfect selection. Every strand of hair, every piece of fur, the bird, preserved! And here we have an image of a flower with a bit of a soft edge. We've got some light leaks, we have some bokeh. So, while leveraging AI, we now have the ability to not only make this a two-step process, but make it a one-step process with a single click, which you'll find inside of your Properties panel called Remove Background. And just like that, it does that. You know, this isn't only about speeding up creativity, but it's really allowing AI to be your creative concierge. So here we have some video that was shot, some beautiful 4K, and I want to emphasize again, 4K playing in real time, full frame on this thin and light machine, powered by Intel and Adobe Sensei. We want to deliver this maybe to one of our favorite social networks. Well, the issue is, if we just exported this in a vertical frame from this widescreen frame, you're seeing that our skier is moving in and out of the center of the frame. I can simply right-click on Auto Reframe. I can choose Auto Reframe Sequence. And something that would have taken time, lots of time, done, just like that. And it's not just analyzing the motion. It's not just analyzing faces. It's looking at region of interest. It knows what all of your people, all of your viewers, all of your followers, all of your customers want to see. Can you feel it?
All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased today to show you our new SoC, our newest next-gen core mobile processor, codenamed Tiger Lake. And with me in my hand, I also have our smallest U-Series motherboard for Tiger Lake that we developed in parallel, smallest U-Series motherboard we've ever done to drive industry-leading innovation and performance.
So Tiger Lake is one of the first products with our new Xe graphics architecture. It is our most disruptive and advanced architecture yet. And so we're super excited. It brings gains in efficiency, also doubles the graphics performance versus the previous generation.
Right.
What does that mean? HD performance gaming for hundreds of millions of notebook users. The system here is Tiger Lake running in an ultra thin and light system from Quanta. It's running the game Warframe, and you can see it looks pretty good.
It looks fantastic.
So gaming is just the start. We also have advancements in media and display capabilities, as well as AI improvements built in. And so an example of that, lots of people have low-resolution photos or blurry photos. And you can imagine if you can instantly correct those. Yeah. And so if I go and select this here, it's going to use the OpenVINO framework to go and drive this improvement on Tiger Lake.
Right.
And so we'll take a look at it after, and you can see the difference between these two. Right?
Wow.
So it's awesome.
That's all done using AI acceleration on the GPU, which is great.
Absolutely. I'm thrilled to share with you today our very first discrete graphics processor up and running. It's called DG1. And you can see, even though it's early, we're extremely excited about the gaming experience that we'll see on DG1.
Thank you so much. You can count on Intel to continue building the positive benefits of compute-enabled intelligence that we think will enrich the lives of every person on the planet. And that's the whole purpose behind our mission at Intel. Thank you all very much. Have a fantastic CES.